specialty hardware, unique fasteners, and vendor-managed inventory programs. Now, it's stock in one of our 15 locations. Quick delivery, same-day delivery. We're your #1 fastener distributor. Hi, I'm John Cox, and I'm with DB Roberts Company, your #1 fastener supplier. And here's what sets us apart. Super customer service. You call, all of our people are trained, experienced, and you give me an order by 4 o'clock in the afternoon and you're going to have it the next morning because we ship same day. We're more than a distributor. We're a solution provider for anybody in the metalworking, assembly area, electronic enclosure markets. Here's an example of some of the specialty fasteners that we provide. Accurite precision slide, PEM products, motion control apparatus, handles, latches, and standard nuts, bolts, and screws. We're Southco's largest distributor globally. We're also Penn Engineering Self-Clenching Fasteners' largest distributor globally. We do other items such as Accurite precision slides, Heiko plastic and metal items. These are some of our major lines that we represent and stock in our warehouses. In our current warehouse here in Atlanta, we have 26,000 square feet, but it's cubed out at 18 feet tall. So we have millions of SKUs in every one of our buildings. Southco is a market leader in touch points, handles, latches, quarter-turn fasteners, electronic access. Well, we don't carry them all. We have access to them all, and we do stock heavily in that product line to cut down on lead time so that when people need it, we'll have it in one of our warehouses. Okay, these are some 3-point latches that we sell for Southco. We stock it, we warehouse it, and you give us a schedule and we fulfill it for you. If it needs to be in 2 different pieces because it's going in 2 different parts of your operation, we'll just give it a separate internal ship to for you and ship 1/2 of it here and 1/2 of it there. Right. Penn Engineering is the leader in self-clinch fasteners. That's strong threads and thin sheet metal. The PEM parts have to be pressed in with a hydraulic press or an arbor press, because what you're really doing is you're taking this screw part and you're pressing it in and you're actually cold flowing the material into a relief on the fastener. We do customs, we have all sorts of material, all sorts of finishes, and we do a lot of custom parts or specials, which they brand as a Y part. In other words, you want one of these, but you want it done a little bit differently. We send in a data sheet to PEM, they quote it, we get back to you, then we will make do a year's supply for you if you want, put it in our warehouses and release it as you need it. We do 2 types of kitting. We do standard kitting, and then we do dissimilar part kitting. Maybe you manufacture a bracket and send it to us, and we put in the associated hardware and literature for a item that you send in a K-down or knockdown situation, so that when it comes to you, all the hardware is there. And we have done this with the same crew of people for over 18 years here in Atlanta. As soon as we get calls from our customers, we go and visit them. And first you have to establish and build trust and rapport with your customers. And the way you do that is by providing a solution that works